Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play an open chord Asus4. Asus4, very easy chord to play. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of Asus4. Okay, to play this chord, finger number 1 goes on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 goes directly below that on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 3 goes on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And if you notice, all the fingers are kind of in a row there. Strum all the strings but this open top E string. Asus4. Okay, to review again, finger number 1 goes on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 goes on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, directly below that. And then finger number 3 goes on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And then play all strings but the top. Asus4. Okay, if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I could easily be found. And also you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. I appreciate my current subscribers and your support. So you guys have a great day and God bless you.